Hello everyone, good morning student. Today we will see the OCM subject. Unit number 6, Social Responsibilities of Business. The responsibility is the all business to customer and product of the which in the OCM subject. The social responsibility of business in employees, in obligation, in management of business, in enterprises. The protect of interest in the society, no business exit isolation. Every organ of the society contributes toward of the success of business. Thus, becoming important of business should be something for the society of return. The responsibility, the business of toward in the society collect of the social responsibility. The responsibility, all business to work on the all social work. The social responsibility from should be not work in the slowly and profit of maximization should be also seek our welfare different the situation of society. Every business in organization or operate in the environment which of the impact. The organization in server of the objects in our environment which of the drop the lack of manpower, money, machine and material. Young force. Imports mean the lack of manpower, money, machine and materials from the environment. After converting in the input of and output of the organization, set as the responsibility of social worker. The various of such men in the society also important in component in enrollment. The distance and business of the organization depend on the society, both of the procurement of the requirement in the deposital of in output. Concept of social responsibility. The social responsibility is the business of refer in elegance in the look of the decision, performance of the action and view of the deliverables and of the objective value of the society. So all the activities of business should be performance in the such of manner that the harm of the in society in the rather of the in the protecting the contribute of the interest of society. Definition: Howard to Pitmans. Howard to Bowens. Social responsibility is the purchase, the policy make of the decision or the follow in the lines of action in the deliverables of the common objective and value of the society. Second definition, Kit Davis. Social responsibility means the business refer in elegance of businessman the decision and action gained from the objective economic and technical of interest. The concept of social responsibility has the follow in Indian sense of the accident time. Philosopher of Chanakya from the Indian Christmas in the philosopher of West, purchase of the permanent ethical of the principle will be doing of the business. Social responsibility in the border, the legal responsibility of business. Legal and the unlegal, the legal responsibility by fulfill the complements of the law. The social responsibility is more than that the from of the recognition in social obligation is of the recovered along the legal set of the down of the law. The word of the social responsibility involve the elements of voluntary action of the part of business people of the difficult in society. Need of the social responsibility of business. First, concept of trustship. Second, changing of the expression of society. Repollution. Number 4, protect of the environment. Optimal utilization of resources. Price pressure of the trade of unions. Growth of the consumer movement. Government of the control. Long term of the business. Complement of social business, globalization, role of the media in the 12 part of the needs of responsibility in the social of business. First, concept of the trusteeships. The trustship in the social economically philosopher had the promoted in the Mahatma Gandhi at the product means use of the healthy people and will have the trust in lock of the after welfare from the generally. Businessmen are the considered by trust in society. Second, changing expectation of the society. The society expectation from the business from the in underground domestic drastic in change of the years the yearly of the days in view of the provider goods and service. But today society expects business and the business of responsibility citizen and contribute toward of the social welfare. Reputation, the business can hack the amount in the resources of the brand building, strength of the image of society, and the responsibility of company injured to good up reputation of the society. If reputation increase of the sales in probability, attraction, talent and satisfy of the growth. Number 4, protection and enrollment. The business organization should be make proper of the country of the natural sources. Did be avoid enrollment in the degradation and contribution of the water resources, depletion of the organization lawyer and which of the between case of the business their result proper help the community place of the action mark on the server human of prices. Number 5, optimum utilization of resources. Modern business have a hung amount in resources of disposal, which of the large resources in the business better position protect society, interest wastage of resources in the avoided. Number 6, pressure of trade union. Nobody worker have becoming convinced they are of the right. The trade of union in growing fast to play important role of the business of enrollment. Worker accept of the management provide the fair wage bonus, avoid of the conciliate between the trade of union and management to avoid in the conciliation. Business officials should be understand responsibility, act accordingly. Number 7, growth of the consumer movement. The development in education and mass media, increase of the competition in market have made in consumer convince the right of the power determined market force of the so business enterprise have following business oriented of policy. Number 8, government of control. From the point of view of business, government of regulation and understandable business of the limit freedom. Government have uncontact various of law has a moral as well as legal pressure of business. Number 9, long-term self-interest. The from in the image of stand gain maximum profit have a long term. We have the highest growth of society and social work service, increase of the number of society, include of worker, consumer, shareholder, government officials, and business enterprises serving of the interest have tend to withdraw in the corporation of the enterprises concurred with to the own self-interest of the from fulfill society responsibility. Number 10, complete of social problem. The sum of the social problem have been created of business from there is the population and shape of the place in description in the moral allegation business of the such of the social problem. Globalization, the entire global market in the place of nobody. No way of the providing the opportunity change of the business, international trade of the barriers in reduce of the result in global distribution and goods of service. Countries have adopted in the practice of including war. The role of media. The media play an important role of the public life due to interest and easier use of the common man media with the vibrant activities. The actual influence message in society, media in the rise of the against business in implementation and consumers, and explanation of the ways the social of business. Today we will see the responsibility of social business of business. The social responsibility of business it needs some introduction and definition. Tomorrow we will see the responsibility toward different interests of groups. Thank you so much.